Subscribe to his YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update.
8 is now finally official, and after unboxing it, we found some simple accessories, like a fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, a Type-C to headphone connector, and some documentations. The Mi 8 has arrived with the most powerful Snapdragon 845. Also, it blessed with amazing dual rear cameras and a display that offers a huge screen space. The Xiaomi Mi 8 comes with a 6.21-inch massive display, and it is the first phone from the company to feature a notch display that offers an aspect ratio of 18:7:9. Interestingly, the Mi 8 is fitted with an Super AMOLED screen that produces full HD+ resolution of 2248 x 1080 pixels. It delivers a screen-to-body ratio of 88.5%. Also, the AMOLED display is equipped with features like support for DCI-P3 color gamut, 60,000 by 1 contrast ratio, and up to 600 nits of brightness. There's still a bottom chin. The backside of the phone is made out of glass that has a unique water drop arc design. It also features a 7000 series aluminum frame. The device measures 154.9 x 74.8 x 7.6 millimeters. The dimensions of the phone are equivalent to a 5.5-inch smartphone, which makes it suitable for one-handed use. The color variants of Xiaomi Mi 8 include black, blue, white and gold. Sadly, there's no headphone jack at the bottom. In terms of photography, the Xiaomi Mi 8 features a wide-angle Sony IMX363 12-megapixel primary sensor with f/1.8 aperture. The secondary 12-megapixel S5K3M3 sensor comes with f/2.4 aperture. The dual cameras offers features like 4-axis optical image stabilization, optical zoom and dual-pixel autofocus. The phone also supports slow motion at 480 frames per second in 720p. Here are some samples. The Snapdragon 845 chipset powered the Xiaomi Mi 8, and it performs well in the platforms like benchmarks. The phone comes with 64GB, 128GB and 256GB storage editions, with 6GB of RAM. The handset receives power from 3400 mAh of battery. The handset is pre-installed with Android 8.1 Oreo that is skinned with the latest MIUI 10. The new MIUI 10 comes with lots of features, but we will look those features in our depth review. Also, the phone comes with gestures controls, which provides more shortcuts. The notch present at the top of the display comprises of a 20-megapixel front-facing camera, proximity sensor, earpiece, infrared lighting and infrared lens. The advanced facial recognition feature has been dubbed as infrared face unlock. We will check all these features in a depth review of this smartphone. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.